What's up, guys? We're gonna install a base for a baby seat in a Dodge Ram. Very simple. Grab the base. Be careful not to scratch the paint. And the base goes in the back seat, like so. And there are metal clips, metal loops that you can't see, but you can feel them. And these clips snap on to those loops on both sides, here and here. All right? You get them snapped on. I'm gonna do this with one hand. Watch how easy this is. Boom! That one's set. All right? Walk around to the other side. And you can enjoy the view while I walk around. She's cute. She's definitely cute. And there's another clip on the other side. Right here. You can't see it, but you can feel it. It's easy. Boom! Right? Now, they're both clipped in. Now I have to go on the other side. Look at that leather. Oh, man. It's so nice. And once you have both sides clipped, you grab this little tail right here and you yank it. And there's supposed to be no more than 1 inch of movement. So you grab this, put it through the chassis of the seat case, and you yank it. Now you need 2 hands for this. I'm gonna have to put the phone down and really yank this so my baby's safe. All right? I can deadlift 600 pounds. Let's see. Right. Alright, that's not going anywhere. Baby is officially safe. And this is what it takes. It's simple. Make sure you put a towel down to protect your leather, or your felt, or your pleather, whatever you have in your vehicle. And this is it. The car seat now just clicks into this, and you're good to go. Safety first. And there you have a beautiful, safe little baby. You feel safe? You look safe. Who's a safe baby? Who's a safe baby? Yeah. Simple and easy. Who's a good girl? Yeah. While we're at it, let's start her up. Oh, safe baby. Laramie. Oh, she's pretty. She's pretty. Just cleaned her up. Got a full leather. Safe baby. Uh-oh, here comes the wife. I gotta go.